Good morning, students. Today we are going to do English language kinds of sentences and by their functions. Now, there are four kinds of sentences by function. First one is assertive or declarative sentences. Second is interrogative sentences. Third is imperative sentences. And fourth is exclamatory sentences. Now, assertive sentences are itself known as declarative sentences, where we are declaring something, which has a simple assertion in them. Simple assertions means they are simple sentences. Sentences which make simple assertions or statements are called assertive or declarative sentences. Like, it is raining. The child is going to school. I get up early in the morning. I like reading. Now, these are simple sentences with a full stop. Remember that a sentence is complete when we put a full stop at the end. Now, in assertive sentences only, there are two types of sentences, which is positive and one is negative. Now, positive sentences are also known as affirmative sentences, which gives a positive sentence, and the other one is a negative sentence. For example, affirmative sentences like honesty is the best policy. Barking dogs seldom bite. I have been to Canada. Now, what are these? These are positive sentences. Sentences which give a negative meaning are called negative sentences. Like, it is used not. She will not listen to me. She should not hate anybody. So, what are these? These are negative sentences where not is used. Then comes a second type of sentence which is known as interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences means where we ask a question like, what is your name? Where do you live? Who is your father? So, what are these? These are interrogative sentences and always end with a question mark. Remember that in interrogative sentences, always there will be a question mark. Now, interrogative sentences are also of four kinds. One is yes no question, where we in the question only the like, is it going to be raining today? So it is what you are asking, it is yes or no. Then comes WH questions. WH questions means like who, whom, when, how, which, whose. Now, in sentences where we have these type of words in it, so they are known as WH questions. Then comes tag questions. Tag questions means where doesn't, haven't, isn't, didn't, these kinds of words are used. They are known as tag questions. Then the fourth is choice questions. Choice questions means where we are giving an option. We are giving a choice in the sentence. Like, do you like tea or coffee? So, what is this? We are giving a choice. The answer is in the question only. So, the person who will want tea, he will say tea, or who wants coffee, he will say coffee. Then comes imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are where we express orders, commands, requests, advice, proposals, or suggestions. They all are known as imperative sentences. Like, leave this place at once. What are we doing over here? We are giving an order. Get lost. We are giving an order. Please help me. We are giving a request. Work hard. We are giving an advice. Let's go for a walk. What are we doing over here? We are giving a suggestion. So these types of words are known as What type of words? They are known as imperative sentences. So, sentences which give an order, request, advice, suggestions, known as imperative sentences. Then fourth comes exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are where we express strong feelings, emotions. Which kind of emotions? Like joy, sorrow, regret, surprise, wonder. These all are known as exclamatory sentences. And remember, in exclamatory sentences, it always ends with an exclamation mark or at the beginning of the sentence. Like, what a marvelous night! How beautiful the flower is! Hooray, we have won! Alas, she is no more. Now, over here, what are we doing? We are expressing our emotions, where we are happy, where we are surprised, where we are in a sorrow. Hooray is a joy, alas is sorrow. How beautiful the flower is. What is this? This is an emotion where we are showing our feelings. And marvelous sight also is a surprise, where wow, how nice it looks. So these type of sentences are known as exclamatory sentences. They have an exclamation mark. What is an exclamation mark? This one. Then come, student, kinds of sentences by structure. That is, there are three types of sentences, like simple, compound, complex, and one more is the compound complex. Now, the way to express them is simple sentence. It contains a single independent clause. It doesn't depend on anyone. It's a simple sentence, like I don't like dogs. Now over here, it is a simple sentence. Our school basketball team lost their last game of the season 75-68. So this is a simple sentence. It's not depending on anybody. It's an independent clause. Then the second one is a compound. Now compound contains two independent clauses. That is, it needs a coordinating conjunction like but, so, or, where the conjunctions are used in it. Like I don't like dogs and my sister doesn't like cats. So and is a conjunction. See over there in the simple sentence above, it was I don't like dogs. It was over here. So it was just a independent sentence. But when we come to conjunctions, we have added to it and my sister doesn't like cats. So this becomes your compound sentence. You can write on paper or you can use a computer or. So this is also conjunction. So what type of sentence it becomes? It becomes a compound sentence. Then the third one is complex. It contains an independent clause plus one more or more dependent clause. So it has nearly two sentences joined to it. It always starts with the subordinating conjunctions. Like, I don't like dogs that bark at me when I go past. That bark at me when. So, examples like because, while, although, where, if, when, they all are used in complex sentences. She did my homework while her father cooked dinner. So, this is also a complex sentence. So, I hope so you have understood all the sentences, that is in the function form as well as in the structure form. Now, students, for the exercise, we will go for the first exercise on page number 5. First one, you have to identify the sentences and write their kind. Is it going to snow tomorrow? So, it's with the question mark. So, what type of a sentence it is? It is an interrogative sentence. Second one, New leaves sprout on trees. This is an declarative sentence. Please help me. Over here we are giving a request. So it is a imperative sentence. When will the program begin? It's a WH. So it is an interrogative sentence. How wonderfully he so it has an exclamation mark. So it is an exclamatory sentence. In this way, students, the other sentences I will send you the PDF of it. Then comes our next exercise, D1. Identify the kinds of sentences as simple. You are going to write S, compound C, or complex for, you will write CO. The baby cried for food. It's not depending on anything. So it is a independent clause. So it is a simple sentence. Being tired, he went to bed. Being tired. So it has a conjunction in it. So it is a compound. If you study well, you will pass. If is also a compound, a conjunction. So it is a compound sentence. The teacher entered the class. Simple. S. Then next is, I saw a girl who had blue eyes. So this who comes under complex, because over here who is used. And rest of the sentences, students, I will send you their answers. Thank you.